Hi, I am Abhijaya Patil, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy by downloading the Unacademy learning app, where you can find my other courses as well. In this video, we will look at some questions on one-word substitution words beginning with M. So please rate, review and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our Unacademy YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below. So our video is titled Quiz Test Your Knowledge, and you're watching this with me, Abhijaya Patil. This is a link to my Unacademy profile, so you can go to this link to watch my other courses, and you can also follow me on Unacademy by going to this link. If you like this video, then please do rate, review, recommend and share it. Now in this quiz, we will look at questions on words beginning with M. So I'm hoping that by now you all have gone through part 1, part 2 and part 3 of one word substitution words beginning with M, and that will enable you to answer the questions which are asked in this quiz. So let's start the quiz. Let's look at the first question, which is a person who does not believe in marriage. Options are misogamist, misogynist, misandrist or monotheist. So the answer for this question is A, misogamist, a person who does not believe in marriage. Misogynist is a person who hates, distrusts, despises and is strongly prejudiced against women. Misandrist is a person who hates, despises, distrusts and is strongly prejudiced against men. And monotheist is a person who believes in an all-powerful God. He believes in only one God. And examples of monotheistic religions will be Islam or Christianity, because they believe in only one God. So the answer for this question is A, misogamist, a person who does not believe in marriage. Next is a person who is very concerned about details. Options are scrupulous, buffoon, meticulous, and both A and C. So I'm sorry, it's supposed to be both A and C over here. By mistake, I have written B. It's supposed to be both A and C. Sorry for that. So the answer for this question is both A and C. That is, scrupulous and meticulous are synonyms of each other. They mean a person who is very attentive to detail and is extremely cautious and pays attention to details. On the other hand, buffoon is a person who does silly things to make people laugh. So someone like a clown would be a buffoon. So the answer for this question is both A and C. Scrupulous and meticulous is a person who is very concerned about details. Next is a handwritten book or document. Options are manuscript, manual, handbook, or both A and B. So the answer for this question is manuscript or handwritten book or document. Manual is a book which has information or instructions. So electronic devices come with a manual, and in that manual instructions of how to use that device are given and how to take care of that device. And another word for a manual is a handbook. So manual and handbook are synonyms. That's why the answer for this question is A, manuscript, a handwritten book or document. Next is a place where coins of a country are manufactured. Options are peppermint, museum, mint, or none. So the answer for this question is quite simple. It's C, mint, a place where coins of a country are manufactured by the authority of a government. Peppermint is a type of mint that we consume. We have peppermint chewing gums. And museum is a place where objects of historic, scientific or artistic importance are stored and exhibited. So the answer for this question is C, mint. Next is an object kept as a reminder of an event. Options are keychain, monument, memento or all. So the answer for this question is C, memento, an object kept as a reminder of an event. Keychain is our keychain that we use with our keys. And monument is a building, statue that is erected to commemorate a notable person or event. And the answer for this question is memento, an object kept as a reminder of an event. Next is a person working only for money. Quite an easy one. Let's look at the options. Honorary, mercenary, missionary, or none? So the answer for this question is B, mercenary, a person working only for money. The person's only motivation to do a job is to get paid. Honorary is a position that is held by a person for respect, that is, it is given to a person in order to show respect to that person, and they are not paid any money for that position. And missionary is a person who is sent to a foreign land to propagate his religion. So the answer for this question is B, mercenary. Next is an unmarried woman. Options are florist, bachelorette, maiden, or both B and C. So the answer for this question is both B and C. Bachelorette and maiden are synonyms of each other. They both mean an unmarried woman. It's very evident from the word bachelor that it has to do with someone being unmarried. So bachelorette is an unmarried woman. And a florist is a person who cuts and arranges flowers. So answer for this question is both B and C. Next is the study of weather and climatic conditions. Again an easy one. Options are metallurgy, meteorology, mycology, or none. So the answer for this question is B, meteorology, the study of weather and climatic conditions. Metallurgy is the study of metals and their production and purification. And mycology is the study of fungi. So answer for this question is B, meteorology. Next is a room or building in which dead bodies are kept. Options are mortuary, cemetery, morgue, or both A and C. So the answer for this question is both A and C. Mortuary and morgue are synonyms of each other. They mean a room or building in which dead bodies are kept. Cemetery is a place where dead bodies are buried, so it's a burial ground. They are not kept over there, they are buried over there. So the answer for this question is both A and C. So with this we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you all like the quiz and thank you for taking it. If you all have any questions regarding the words we've discussed in the M category, then please mention those in the comment section. And if you all have any doubts, suggestions, or feedback, then please mention those too in the comment section. If you all can think of any other important words which begin with M that can be included in this category, then please mention those too in the comment section so it can help the other people who are watching these lessons to learn more words. And if you like this lesson, please do not forget to rate, review, recommend, and share it so that more and more people watch this lesson and benefit from it. Stay tuned for more. Bye.